Hello everyone, today we are going to play word challenge. And what is it?
Chain challenge.
Word chain challenge. So today with me I have Missy. Bukan nama sebenar. Okay, so you start first. So I have lock and then DKBR. Say to the camera, what do you have? What do you have?
Finish F W H.
Okay, so you guess first.
Give me a letter. Left hand.
Okay, this one is door. Alright. So, kau kamu jalan. Door, aku jalan ni. Yes. Lock door, knock. Knock. Bedroom.
Not bedroom. You
Okay.
can ask for a letter if you want.
Okay, tak apalah. Then you jalan. If salah, then you. It's your turn if I get wrong.
I also don't know. Wait.
Okay. Lock, door, knock. This one is big.
No.
Okay, no. Okay.
You can ask me later. That's all I can do.
Okay, I don't need to finish very early because I already finishing. Elija is barely starting. Okay? This got be take a while. Are you getting it? But
I
you want help?
Seal?
No. No, I'm sorry. No. Okay, this one is bro.
No. Not bro. Didn't even.
Okay, your turn.
This is not.
You want to help or not? You want to...
Yeah.
Okay. What?
Finish. Goal. School.
Yes. Okay, next.
First.
No. Okay, this one is lock, door, knock, bed.
Yeah.
Hey. Bed. Room.
That's not bed. It's like. It's like.
Bed.
Bat.
Bed. B-A-D. Dah salah lah ni. But you just give me the answer. Okay, thank you. Bad. Bad. I almost finished. Another one. What do you think is the last word? Start with the R. Khadijah is stuck with the F. The third
Give me a
word.
letter. Give me a letter.
The last letter is a T. Start with the F. Can you guess?
Another letter, I can't figure it out. Just checking hard.
Second last letter is S.
Fast.
Yes. The third letter is fast. Finish school fast.
Fast. Fast.
No. Okay, this one is bad. Room lah.
No.
Okay, guess lah what is that? W. What start with W? 4-word letter. Four-letter word. Yeah. It's a 4-letter word. Starting with W. Just guess lah anything with W. Last word is K. Last letter is K. Finish school fast. Salah. Okay, this one is bad. Real. Okay, that's what. Guess what? Work. Yes. Work. What start with a H and rhyme with
Home.
work?
Home.
Work home? No. No. Bad. Wrist. Okay, that one.
Give me a word.
Start with the H and with the D. Work.
Just play what?
Work.
Head.
Work. What?
Pen.
No. Work and. Okay. Lock door knock. Bad.
Bed. Bad. Not bad.
Yeah, bad. B-E-D. Huh? B-E-D or B-E-T? B-E-T. Bad. Bad ring.
Bad.
Bad ring.
No.
Okay. Bad ring. You cannot ask for any word anymore. Any letters anymore. If or not, you will win. Nah, it's so easy. Come on. Word. Word. Start with W and with a D. Word.
W. You say W.
Then start with H and with D. Word. Bed. Rest. Rest. Hood. No. It's close, but no. Okay, bad. Okay, bagi I word. Give me a letter. Bad. Rael.
No.
Work. What do you do when you work? Work.
What do you mean I like
When you work, do you work lazy or work? What is rajin in English? Or what do you English? No. What is the same meaning? But it starts with the H and end with the D. Alright, give me a letter. Like I'm gonna read. Read. Yes, I read. Lock door, not bad. Thank you very much. And for this is peaceful class. Word. Word. Bye bye. Thank you for playing. Thank you for watching.
Hey, you did not
Stay
play.
tuned.